over the top here. Good movement off the pole here from Tamiso Munyani. Samuel to eliminate the defender as well. Paul in then, well dealt with. Only as far as Marcelo.
That you obvious, okay, I like your confidence. It is what the promise, okay, that's what the wrongness. Glad you like the loneliest, okay, you're at the parties. Now you're at the parties. You better start on fire, you're on my fire, I need some water, I need time, I need to remind you, Rebecca, Serena, Selena, let's start on choir, I like the way that you get your back, you don't need no, I help you inspire, Get on my IT, I'ma give you some birds on my LT. Get on the avenue and I ain't never seen no one fly to shoot. You know service too. You can't disrespect you, I gladly shoot. I don't play by man, I don't.
Tito Masonga i-ambulance yasethembisa thwala lonke uhlobo lesiguli inesiguli eCape Town inesiguli eThekwini inesiguli ePitoli inesiguli ePulukwane iqhamukisa ithi nje tito
iyavula iyavala isithixo seyithixo inkani kamakotolotsholwe ngenkomo zokwebiwa unkonko balekelo wamaphisi phanele isithixo dumi isibuko samaphantala izibuka khona mayibuya isithemba uma siliva
amathalenta wemfana nobani unetalente la
Phakanyisiwe le ibhola bethwa ngenhloko achithwa kodwa itrap waphinda uTalente Mbatha waphinda kwinto ebenze Orlando wayibeka emnatheni ngenqina lasekhohlo waphinda uTalente Mbatha wayikhulula uMzantsi Afrika emakhamandelweni bola yokugqibela isekpisi yokugqibela uMzantsi Afrika yaphakama yonke ibhench yoMzantsi Afrika ngena ngaphakathi ebaleni phakanyiswe kahle la set piece yabethwa ngenhloko yachithwa yadibana noTalente Mbatha engaphandle eboxini ngenqina lasekhohlo ezolile lesithi bayichithile ibamba ngesifuba uTalente Mbatha wayibeka phansi ibhola wathi ugqiba wathi umnathu nga
time for Kokomilon ubuvelile time for Kokomilon time for Kokomilon time for Kokomilon voila Argona tamo ngat Mbatha super baloi Relabo Bufokeng
sebenzela phakathi yena Van Rooyen qala phansi kwaphakathi Talente Mbatha amathalenta awefani jamna lapha kwaTalente Mbatha -1 -2 phethe calculate uMbatha uzoyikhipha ile yaphasa iyaphuma le yaphasa iyalakoto uyedwa uMakgopa phakathi eboxini iyafeza Evidence Makgopa uyaqhamazela uMbatha uyajaha uMbatha kodwa ukushayela ihlombe ke lokho yena ke uJose Ribeiro phasi kanokusho nokushakana phasi lakhona ihlalele ihambe nama-challenge angefani ithola lapha-ke phakathi yena-ke uyalakoto ebefuna-ke u-Evidence Makgopa kwawukuthi-ke lemshiya leli yabhola 1996 ukuqala kwabo-ke ukuhlangana neqembu lasezweni lase-Algeria namhlanje ahlangana-ke lapha-ke nawo lapha-ke MC Alger njengoba-ke
It's scrumptious and everything. So I think this thing, but alifakwe olamthuthu le. Hayibo. Alifakwe olamthuthu le. Come, Sipho. You come. Very good.
ithemba lamahumusha Banana Dashboard Sanda Semfene Auskim Solofa Themba lamahumusha Sipho Mbule nangu Sipho Mbule ejabula nabalandeli ngempela Banana Dashboard Sanda Semfene Skim Solofa Themba lamahumusha itsothe emnyama itsothe yebhakaniya upolice kwame skula khipha kwame sicala police kwame skula police kwame sicane akhiphe a stellar performance police kwame sicala police kwame skula police kwame sicala police kwame skulu bese thike nginikeze man of the match bese sithi ke not me Tata me Baba
But Mbule Rapagani Jega Nandi Mbat Ithola ngapha kwembule Mbule Asane ngempela amathambo Mbule ngathi usabreach amadoda amaswangana Shandu naye ke support yakhe ke Maswangana Sibelebele zama ukushaya uShandu